So every fabric, and you brought up the ones that are inherently flame retardant and the ones that there are certain fabrics, like wool is the one that's inherently flame retardant, but if you look at, you'll see a difference between the natural fibers when they burn versus the man-made. So this is start.
Which one is that?
This is cotton. No. Okay. So you'll see a smell, you'll see the way it burns, and how quickly, and smell, and what it looks like.
Oh my gosh. I don't think you're in a very safe place yet.
That's why I was worried last week because of that. Okay, can you smell? What do you smell?
Yeah.
Burning hair.
Yeah, what do we write for out?
Horrible.
So
It's more like, the other thing is the ash color.
Ooh.
But the color of the ash, it's gray, and it goes down to, it still keeps burning once the flame's out. But the smell is more like leaves or paper.
Oh, yeah.
It smells like something different.
But the color of the flame is something else. It's the orange. And that's one of the things you see that's different in each of the fabric. Okay, so this one. For which?
Leaves or paper.
No, it's weird.
What about ash / beans? What is that?
The ash is gray.
And which
You
one
can
is this
kind
one?
of see it around the edges.
This one.
The gray ash. So you can see that even now it's still kind of burning underneath. But so the flame state went out once it got through the whole piece, but the gray ash is still there, and where it's dark, it's still burning. So that kind of tells you what happens with cotton. Now this is linen.
Bring my iPod.
So that one,
Burns like a medium.
yeah, smells similar.
Ooh, smoky.
Yeah,
More smoky than the cotton.
yeah.
Smells like a campfire.
And it, but
It does
basically,
smell like a campfire.
okay.
Sorry, guys. Black ash.
Yeah, gray. That one's gray too. So the linen burns almost exactly like the cotton. And the smell is the same also. Now this is wool.
Flame resistant. Smells like a brand new.
Oh, that one smells like hair for sure. In the way.
Yeah. Now that is definitely black ash. And it's got a smell, but no smoke.
Which is great.
Yeah.
Black.
And see this, the the linen too, you can see that's still burning. So that those two continue to burn, the linen and the cotton. Okay, so this is 100% silk.
Oh, that one breathes.
So that one's kind of interesting too, because it just burns with a flame briefly, and that's what we would call char, with the black ash. And then what would you say about the smell? Yeah, that's more like burning hair.
So Ray, what are you guys ready for this one?
Silk and wool are very similar for the natural fibers, and linen and cotton are similar. Now this one, this is the one I told you about, the acetate.
She said
And
like burning.
this is one that, again, this is a fabric that used to be used a lot for linings.
What is this one?
Acetate.
Oh, that one burns fast.
Yeah, so you can see what that does.
It's because the wind is blowing it in a different direction.
Yeah.
So that one's a gray ash too. Yeah.
Sometimes these will drop.
It's like plastic.
Yeah, they'll drop a bead, but that's when they're. This one.
What is that?
Yeah, right.
I have ran.
I like shrimp.
Oh shoot. I don't have rayon. Okay, this is. Actually, I'll use this one. This is acrylic, so this is one that
This is acrylic.
is used outside. And again, you can see a difference in how that one
So
works.
it's like burns medium, hard to catch.
Yeah.
For nylon,
Acrylic.
acrylic.
Now you can see that this one, when it burns, it rolls back rather than just. And sometimes, this is the one, let me see if I can get it going.
Smells like fireworks.
Yeah, this is
Oh,
one.
weird.
Okay, it's doing it. See where it's dropping?
Yeah.
It's dropping like a black bead.
That's twisting too.
Yeah,
It starts slow.
Okay, so this ash is black.
yeah.
Oh, but the inside of it isn't quite turned. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
So that's a man-made, so you can see the difference.
Ugh, it looks awful.
Vote to save for the odor.
Yeah.
Sounds like fireworks.
Yeah. Burnt
Fireworks.
plastic.
Burnt plastic again. Oh.
But that is, part of that is regular. Now, this one,
It looks like
Okay.
bear skin.
yeah.
It does.
Is it black ash?
Yeah.
This is, better pull the long piece off. This is a nylon.
Yeah. Instantly. Oh, okay.
Burns insane quick.
So you can see that's one that drips. If you can see it on that.
So it essentially melts onto each other itself, right?
Mhm.
So hard to catch and melts.
So see what that one's doing? It's actually melting and dropping off.
That black ash.
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Burnt hair.
Doesn't really have. Yeah.
For smell, could I just write light odor?
They say burning plastic. But it's interesting when you look at this, how it's making.
Oh, there you go. You can smell that. Mm-hmm. It smells like those plain candles when they don't have a scent.
That's
Yeah.
what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
It's just
So like a scent, yeah. Plastic scent.
Okay, then we have.
Oh, sorry.
Which one did I? Oh, did I do poly? Did I say I didn't have poly?
Oh, you didn't have rayon.
Oh, was that rayon that you gave me?
No, I gave you the
Oh.
elephant.
Okay. Okay, so this is. Okay. So this is old.
Olefin.
Elephant. Mm-hmm. Shriveling up too.
Yeah.
So melts.
So that's dripping too. And olefin is a fiber. It's not only used in fabrics, but it's also, see how much that one drips off?
Yeah, wow.
It's
Yeah.
also used a lot in carpets now. And it's a fiber that can be used in carpet that they've really improved on. It makes a really inexpensive carpet that
Whoa.
makes,
Nasty.
yeah. See how icky that is?
Yeah, that is.
So you don't want to get any carpet on fire. But anyway, it's carpet that can be used if it's for a short period of time, like 5 years, and you know you're going to replace it. Short-term carpet.
So for apartments.
Could be for apartments or for a child's room, something that may get a lot of wear and tear. But
What is it supposed to smell like?
what's the smell is, what is it? Oh, asphalt. Burning asphalt.
Yeah. It looks like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it looks like a small transfer.
Okay, now this is polyester. So this is another one. Polyester is a fiber that has really been developed over the years. But it still burns the same.
Burns slow and rolls.
Yeah. And this burn is more. It's more of a melt. It almost stops the flame or drops the flame and melts at the fabric rather than keeps the flame going.
Oh, that is so gross.
Yeah. So that's again that hard black soot.
Black soot.
So what's the smell on that one?
That's another one
Black
that's real
soot.
chemical. Hard to identify.
It's like it smells like chemicals,
Yeah. Chemical.
plastic and chemicals.
Yeah.
Plastic.
We're doing plastic and chemicals.
Yeah. So that's it.
That's it?
That's it.